So ito from the plastic, ito yung box of Boya BY-MM1 Universal Cardioid Microphone. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be again we'll do unboxing and review for essentials, essential devices, and especially for vlogging. So today balik unboxing ako, and today I will unbox a microphone, a shotgun microphone, BY-MM1 Boya BY-MM1 Shotgun Microphone that I bought sa noon.com. BY-MM1 Boya BY-MM1 Shotgun Cardioid Shotgun Microphone. And you know, this cost is value for money. It's cost around 53 dirhams. Imagine, 53 dirhams sa noon.com plus the delivery, which is 10 dirhams. So it's value for money, cheaper alternative. Not really cheaper, but value for money alternative than Rode. Yung Rode is very pricey. That I checked is around, I think, 250 to 300 dirhams. So let's open it. Open natin from noon.com. Napakaganda ng packaging. So let's open yung box. So ito from the plastic, ito yung box of Boya BY-MM1 Universal Cardioid Microphone. So this is shotgun microphone. As I have explained earlier, this is for outdoor purpose. So ito yung laman. This is the what's inside. This is the I think this is the manual. Yeah. It's a small piece manual, and this is the warranty card. Fill up this. So since nabili ko naman to sa noon, so just fill up this one, and then ito yung cardioid mic. This is the cardioid mic with the dead cut. This dead cut is for the wind. Yung mga noise outside. And ito yung pinaka mic. This is the cardioid mic. Detachable naman yan. So yan. Kung detachable. Yan. So it's solid. It's like solid built metal. As you can see. Ganda naman. So balik natin. Ito yung need kasi ito sa outdoor. Kapag you use outdoor, you need a dead cut para sa interference. So they call it dead cut. Yan. That is the cardioid. Then there is a pouch. Ito pouch. Sa mga pouch. Then you have this, ito yung grip hold sa cardioid mic mismo dito. Mamaya I will show you kung paano ina-attach dun sa cellphone grip mount. So dito yan. Yan, ganyan. I-attach ko i-attach ko dun sa cellphone mount. Tapos merong wires, 2 wires, may reserve. Phone mount grip na binili ko dati. May vlog na ako about this Pulus mount grip. So yung kanina, yung pinakita ko sa inyo, yung grip for the shotgun mic. Meron siyang adapter dito hole. Yan, makikita nyo. So i-attach nyo lang yun dyan. So ito ay parang screw. So lagay nyo lang yun dyan. So kung wala pa kayo nitong pulus, you can consider buying. This is a value for money. Hindi mo kailangan ng gimbal. Then connect this one here. Yan. So connect mo yun dito. Yan. Yun. Yan lang kasimple. Then yung wire dito. Yan. And then yung, as I told you, you need the adapter. So tanggalin ko na to sa ginagamit ko sa lapel. So ito, you need an adapter. You buy original adapter from Apple. Kung Apple yung cellphone nyo, flash. So connect mo dito sa PRS wire, PRS jack. Then connect dito sa cellphone. So i-connect ko na siya, yung adapter, lighting adapter sa iPhone. Yun. So connected na. Ganyan lang. As you can see, yung kanina. So we will test ito outside. So hi, ito nasa labas ako. Sa sample ko yung quality ng Boya mic between yung iPhone mic. Ito ngayon is yung walang Boya mic na naka-install sa iPhone. Ito yung mic ng iPhone. So tinitest ko 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So yan ang walang hindi naka-install na Boya mic, shotgun mic. So ito naman yung merong shotgun mic na naka-install na yung shotgun mic, yung Boya mic, BY-MM1. So we are testing the quality. Let us test. Test mic 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So guys, I'm back here in our house, and a while ago you have seen how I tested this Boya BY-MM1 shotgun mic, and have compared it with just the built-in mic of the iPhone, and using this as the mic, the shotgun mic for outdoor use. And makikita natin yung difference. We have seen the difference is talagang mas maganda merong shotgun mic that you use for external use. So yung quality ng voice niya mas malakas, and yung interference sa labas na pipilter nitong dead cat. So it's a must for me na merong shotgun mic ang gamitin for external use. And up to now, ito pa rin yung ginagamit ko. I've changed it to the lapel mic na ginagamit ko at the start of the video, so we can compare. And I believe it's just the same. Ang difference lang is yung lapel mic nandito, nakatutok dito sa mouth ko, while itong shotgun mic ay malayo. So mga 2 feet. So but the quality I believe is the same for the same brand Boya. Ang difference lang niya is when you're using lapel mic outside, mag-i-entangle yung mga wires dito sa pocket mo, dito sa damit mo, in your clothes. So mas maganda na gamitin yung shotgun mic outdoors. Yun namang mga lapel mic, ginagamit yan sa big audience, yung malawak na audience, kasi you need to, malayo yan, mahaba yung wire nun eh. So yun yung gamit for me. But it's the same. You can also use this lapel mic outside. That I'm using it for quite some time. Ngayon lang ako bumili nitong shotgun mic. So there you go guys. My unboxing and review and testing this Boya BY-MM1 shotgun mic. And for me, this is a thumbs up, 2 thumbs up for the price, value for money, for the quality. So it's a good shotgun mic for vlogging outside, external vlogging. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. And hopefully, nakatulong sa inyo, especially for vloggers, itong review ko. So please do subscribe if you consider this helpful. Please subscribe to my channel for more of my future review and tech vlogs. Thank you. God bless. Bye.